Arutani a JSCC mathiĩte na mbere na gũkaĩra thirikari ĩhingie ciĩranĩro cia gũkamandĩka kĩmweri, ona gũtuĩka marauga thirikari ĩtũire ĩhingĩrĩirie matũ ihoya rĩrĩ.
Items that have been raised by UPET. We are renewing the contract of teachers, and so they are continuing with their contract. This is a presidential policy directive, and I have the honor to say letters have already been done. So teachers, we love you, and we still want to continue. However, when things go well, this country is all ours. The renewal of the contract is on, but we know this country is ours.
Arutani aya rũhonge rwa Baringo marauga matiragũagũa na marauga matikaingĩra wĩra cukuru igĩcokwo nginyagia rĩrĩa thirikari ĩrĩ mathikĩrĩria.
These teachers of Baringo and teachers of this country, if there is no confirmation of JSS in January, we are not going to back to class. We cannot get 17,000 shillings. We believe with your guidance and your presence in that education committee, you will do something for us. So we are saying as teachers, we shall come January, we shall not go back to class without teachers being confirmed.
Mũmbunge wa Baringo ya Rũgongo Joseph Makilap akioneka gũtetera thirikari ndeto-inĩ ĩno na kwendekithia mandĩkanĩre kandarathi njerũ.
And now, when we are about to now look for the money for the JSS confirmation in this month, lecturers wakaenda strike on a failed CBA, an agreed CBA that went through the court, and the court said government must honor this CBA. Sasa hiyo shida tena ikakuja kukula budget. So for the JSS teachers to be employed on permanent and pensionable, it's not a walk in the park. Sio kitu ya kusema kwa chukua hapa confirm. When you confirm there is no this, what do you do? Watu watakula nini bila hii? So what we are telling you, and I want to speak from point of authority, is allow us to look for money in supplementary to ensure that when they are promoted, they get salary.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Juliet Wadia wa Muthoni.